video, we're going to be talking about the Hubbl remote. Now, the Hubbl remotes are a little different depending what you've bought. So if you bought the Hubbl Hub, it will look like this. But if you bought the Hubbl Glass, they are generally colored by the color of the TV you have bought. Okay, keep that in mind. So we're going to talk about all the buttons and move our way down, just so you have no confusion of what these buttons do. Okay, so first of all is your power. Okay, so you got a power button, which is simply to turn the TV on or the box on. Okay, depends how you've set it up. The second one over here is to sign in. So for example, if you've set up local channels and you're using them via the 10 app or the 9 Now app, and it's asking you to sign in. So a quick option that it will say is it'll tell you to hit this button. For example, if we click on right here, so as you see, I'm not subscribed to Binge, we can just quickly sign in by hitting those 3 dots and it will open up that page. Okay, and then it opens it up. So we'll just back out of that. Obviously it's going to error because I don't have it. I haven't signed up. But if you've hit that button on one of the Channel 9 apps, Channel 7 apps, or Channel 10, it'll just tell you to scan the QR code and do that. Okay. Okay. So let's hit the home. Okay. Let's move our way down to another 3 apps. Now these 3 apps are very basic. This is just KO. So if you want quick access to KO, quick access to Binge, quick access to Netflix, you can just click that and open the app. Then you've got this one, which is very similar to this one. So this one is a search function. So this will give you the option, as you can see, there's now a search option that's just come up over there, and then you can click the select button and you can start searching stuff. That's what that does. Very simple stuff. Then obviously you got your play button, your mute, so you can mute. Now that will only work if you set that up with your remote, like when you first set up the box, it will ask you what's your brand of TV, and if it can find it successfully, some TVs don't work. But if it can, that will mute your soundbar or TV, depends how you've set it up. Okay, so obviously this we don't really need to talk about. That's just to go up, down, left, right, select to click on an app, and so on. Then you've got a back button, which is kind of cool. So if you wanted to go back, you open something up and then decide you want to go back, just go back. You got the home button, which will take you to the top of the page, which is this little nice one. Again, the volume will only work if you have set it up with the remote and it could find your TV successfully. If you want a video on how to set that up, be sure to comment down below and we'll show you how to successfully set up your Hubbl box and connect it to your soundbar or TV, whatever you want us to do. Let us know and we'll be sure to do that. Okay. Then you've got down here a little plus. Now you're probably wondering, what on earth is that? So this is actually a really cool way. Just say you're scrolling through a bunch of things and you go, hey, I really want to watch that. Just hit that right there. And in a couple of seconds, it's added. And then that's added to your watch list, okay? Well, wish list, okay? But yeah, that's what that is. So right there, basically adds it to your watch list. So we're gonna remove that because I'm probably not gonna watch that. Then we've got the blue button. The blue button means a mic, so we can ask something. So we can basically hold it down. Indiana Jones. So it didn't kind of write everything that I said, but yeah, so basically whatever you say, it will basically, within reason, put it up on the screen. I'm not going to say it's that good, but it does do the job. Okay, so obviously down here you've got a number pad. So basically that's the last part. And that basically, the only way to really muck around with that is you need to go down a bit and you need to go to your guide. Okay, and you can go all channels, and then from here you can start knocking in some numbers. So if you click on this channel, for example, okay, and just say you go, oh, I really want to watch channel 9. You can just put 209, oh well, 109, they changed it, so I'm not used to it. So 109 now is HD. See, on Foxtel, that is not even a number, that doesn't exist. It's 209, but now it's 109. Okay, so we've got to get your head around to that. So yeah, so basically 107 would be the HD 7 as well. So you can knock in the channels right there and it will play them. Sky News is still 600, so if you want Sky News, that will go on in and it should play immediately. Let me just see, that will play. Yeah, okay, it glitched out for a bit, but it's fine. And then if we go 109, that will go to our channel. Now I'm pretty sure I changed this to the IP version. So this is the IP channel 9, which is kind of cool. that is what all the buttons do. If that helped you guys out, hopefully it did. So remember, let me just move that. This is the power, so this can either power your TV on and it can power your Hubbl box on. This is to quick sign in to the guide. So if you need a quick sign into this channel, either that could be binge, KO, whatever, you haven't signed in before, that's a quick way to do that. Then you got your apps here, you got your search feature, pause, mute, your navigation basically thing here, back, home, so home will just always refresh to the home screen. So if you got lost somewhere, you don't know where you are, you can just hit home and you're back to the beginning, which is kind of cool. Your volume, which will only work if you linked up your soundbar or TV. Your watch list is right here, mic, and then your number pad. So you can easily type in the channel you want and easily watch that channel. All right, guys, hopefully that helped, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.